Hey everybody, so this video we got a challenge lock pinned up by Lebel, helpful lock picker, sent it to me. That's my second attempt at this. This is a pretty annoying lock. It doesn't work very good. It's not going to turn very far because of the vise, but you really got to fiddle with the key to get it to work. So, and just from my first try at it, I'd say there's a lot of serrated business going on in here. And I guess saying it's an annoying lock is actually probably a compliment, I guess, for a challenge lock. I'm not a huge fan of challenge locks, but yet the helpful lock picker keeps sending them to me. Yes, that sounds like a dog barking outside. I don't have a dog, so I'm not sure what's excuse me, what's going on with that. You have neighbors sometimes, kind of unfortunately. So what was happening first time through this, guys, I would just get it to where a whole bunch of clicks and everything, a little bit of rotation, then I'd just get it to where nothing would bind. So probably overset something, I guess. Alright, I'm going to try one more time through it here. A lot of tension. Let's stick my little thing back in there. Hey, look at that. Got it. Whole bunch of tension seemed to be the key. Yeah, cool. Go ahead and gut it here and see what's in it. Yeah, so just see it is open, just won't turn very far because of the vise. Yeah, it's funny, man. I just really cranked up the tension on it, and just go randomly poking around it, and bam, it opens. So key pins, just get them all dumped out here, and then we'll take a look at them all. So definitely a lot of work done on them. And on the Bible here, about on the plug here, I mean, got 1, 3, and 5 are actually serrated. Yeah, see right there, 1, 3, and 5 are serrated. Yeah, see what we got going on upstairs here. Alright, so it's pretty wild. Driver on 1. And long brass spring. And I guess that's some kind of spool. I'll get a close up of these here and get the spring out. The long brass spring. Yeah, these are kind of cool looking pins. And it's a super long one over 5 there. Get the spring out. Alright, and then upstairs, he must have pulled this cover off because upstairs is serrated too. Yeah, I got 1, 3, or not serrated, I'm sorry, threaded. I think I said serrated earlier too, I mean threaded. We have 1, 3, and 5 threaded on the plug and the Bible. Pretty cool. And so we can get a good look at these pins here that Albert made. Oriented correctly. Good enough for government work here. Alright, so we got for chamber 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 there. So, alright, that's a pretty cool lock. And I guess I got 2 more challenge locks pinned up, I think, by Briarberry Cove that were in the same package from the Helpful Lock Picker. And so we'll get on those later. And that will do it for this video. And we'll talk to everybody later.